Imagine standing on a trail with no GPS. You're trying to find the shortest path home. You see two options. One path cuts straight across the field. The other zigzags around it, but which one actually saves you time? That simple moment is powered by one of the oldest secrets in math, the Pythagorean Theorem. We've all been there, stuck in math class, staring at triangles, wondering, why does this even matter? You're juggling assignments, trying to get that GPA up, but this weird formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, it feels completely pointless. But what if I told you, it's not just math, it's the key to designing skyscrapers, building video games, even flying drones. Here's how it works. In any right-angled triangle, the two shorter sides are called legs. We call them A and B. The longest side across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. That's C. The Pythagorean theorem says, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's try it. Say one leg is 3 units. The other is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. Add them, 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So the hypotenuse is 5 units long. It's not just theory. Firefighters use it to position ladders safely. Engineers use it in bridges and buildings. Game developers use it to build virtual worlds. It's math, solving real problems. So next time you see a triangle, don't just see numbers. See possibility. Because every time you use the Pythagorean theorem, you're finding the smartest path forward.